Hi folks, welcome back to Blackbeard's Detailing YouTube channel. I'm Ross, that's Josh, and in this vlog we have this brand spanking new McLaren 600LT. It's literally just been picked up from McLaren Glasgow today and dropped off literally straight from the dealership. It's it's absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, the weather is pretty bad. Those calipers are outstanding, high polished calipers, and yeah, the rest of it is equally as gorgeous. So we're going to crack on with the decontamination. Before we go any further, the customer did state this had to get no prep work done at the dealership, so it's factory prep. So any kind of wee issues that are on it would have been rectified from dealership. Lee, who's the manager at McLaren Glasgow, phoned me just to confirm that the car was coming to me today. The customer had arranged it all, and it was just to make sure I was happy with them not doing any prep work. And he did state there is a couple of wee issues that they would have sorted, but it's coming to me anyway. I would have rather have done it, so it's in with me and that's getting done. So the customer who has this one also has the Mercedes, I think it was the E55 AMG, which we've done a vlog on as well. He's got a cracking bunch of cars, so looking forward to getting this one done. Josh is just getting all prepped, and yeah, we're going to bear the bad weather and get out and get it started. Well, that's the wheel's been whipped off, and Josh and I are full up with lunch. So yeah, either go for a wee nap or continue working. But so wheels whipped off, and they are just in the process of getting their deep clean. The weather has started to come back down again, which is quite annoying because whilst we sat having a lunch, it was actually pretty decent. So I've done the paperwork condition report on the McLaren as well, and all's looking all right. It's just general stuff which I would be expecting anyway. So get a wee closer look on this. So the customer opted for the different carbon fibre louvered wings. So they were basically painted at a different time from the rest of the body. The colour match is absolutely spot on. A couple of tiny, absolutely minimal imperfections on them, which you would need to be kind of scrutinising the panel and up close under all these lights to see them. But all in, the paintwork on that is fantastic. Bodywork again, as I pointed out, the dealership didn't do any prep work to it whatsoever. So we've got a couple of kind of finishing marks from factory. There's some kind of sanding marks underneath the mirrors, the kind of intricate areas and the kind of deep down sections where it's quite difficult to get that kind of section all finished. And then, as per usual, from every single car you ever get, the piano blacks marred. The roof as well has got some wee icky marks on, and but all in, it is pretty decent. So we're going to get kind of rattled on with the polishing stages, and yeah, So looking forward to getting started with it, and yeah, see you soon. So, it's nearing the end of the first day with the McLaren 600LT. Josh is just popping the wheels back on it. They have all been ceramic coated and are looking as you'd expect for nice brand new black wheels, mega glossy. And, yeah, absolutely awesome. Certainly a good bit lighter than the X5M wheels we had done. But yeah, these are all sorted and good to go back on. So tomorrow will basically be the large majority of the day is going to be correction work. I've done the front driver's door and the back left quarter panel. But yeah, good progress made, but I'm going to nip over, help Josh pop these wheels on, and then we'll get finished for the day. So that's the beginning of day number 2 with the McLaren. Josh is working at the back of it. Where is he? There he's there. And with the nano polisher, just polishing the kind of low down grey sections, which are basically all over the back section of the car. It's absolutely freezing this morning. I had to fight a polar bear and kick a penguin to get into the unit this morning. But the it's heaters on in here because it's rather nippy. As you can see, wheels back on it. It's dropped down, so I'm going to get the whole top section of the car polished, get front end and full driver's side to do today, and then given the time, I think we might just be able to get that base coat on tonight. If so, then we're well ahead of the game. We'll get this car done a day earlier, which is handy. It's always good to get ahead of the game. However, we've still got a full day ahead of us and things can always go wrong. But yeah, I'm enjoying working on this one. It's always good to get something like this in. And yeah, the owner will be looking forward to summer. When he get out that, I'll be looking forward to summer and I can get out in that. Well folks, that's the correction work all done in the McLaren. Josh has just went over the full car with pre-coating wipe. He's also done the tyre gel and it's basically good to go. So we're going to crack on with the first of the 2 coatings that's going to go on it. Correction levels, exactly as you'd expect for a nice new car. All that hazing has been removed. And yeah, it's looking absolutely fantastic. So. Well folks, that's this McLaren 600LT all finished. It's looking absolutely fantastic and it's ready to get picked up by the customer. So everything's all done. It's correction, base coat, top coat, wheels have been off, calipers done, wheels back on, and yeah, basically all that. It's looking absolutely just epic. They're such striking cars when you're actually with them. You don't realise how kind of low down they are. I'm just, well, basically 6'3", and it's like it's just, they're just nice proportion wise cars. They just look absolutely awesome. However, they're a pain in the backside for me to get in and out of. It's quite possibly like the kind of dream car garage in here now. We've got a Range Rover SVR and then this. So how awesome would it be if that was your choice of 2 cars to have? So it's definitely a kind of cool, funky garage we've got in there now. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. If you like the video, please hit the subscribe button and click the wee bell and you'll get a notification whenever I launch a new video. Leave a wee comment, let me know what you think of the car. If there's anything you want me to do differently, anything you want me to add in, or anything you want me to take out, let me know. At the end of the day, we're doing these videos for you. Big thanks to Josh as well. He'd basically done all the kind of hard work, the wheels, deep clean, all the stuff outside, and I was basically just focusing on the correction kind of sides of things. So yeah, we got it done in a relatively kind of quickish time. So we're straight onto this Range Rover now. That's been deconned in the unit. The wheels are going to get whipped off, deep cleaned today, and then that'll be us hopefully get finished a wee bit sharpish. But again, thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. Cheerio, bye.